Hi everyone, so today I received all my Wjsn Neverland albums and oh my god, I'm going to open them now. Okay, I've unboxed them and oh my god, I can't take the address. That's the GOM's address. That's why I use the post-it to cover but it's not sticking. So lousy. Okay, wait, let me check if there's anything inside the envelope. Okay, so I got a total of three versions, but 4 albums, and have the green one green version, 2 blue version, and 1 pink version. And these are the posters given, and I will show them to you at the last part of the video. Okay, so I opted for internal trading for all these albums. So one of the blue album is from K-Town For You, and the other blue album and the green one and the pink one are from Starship Square. So I'm not sure which one is from K-Town For You, so I'm just gonna start from the green one, then all the way to the pink color one. Okay, so yes, this is okay. Let's just keep all these first, at the side. So this is the green one. I'm going to see whether I'm just going to find a page that has all the photo cards. Okay, it's all here. No more. Okay, we have Taeyong and Taeyong, Eunso and Yeonjung. And the last one, Butterfly Girl, we have, not Butterfly Girl, lyrics, PC, we have XC. So these are my pulls for the green version. Okay, now I'm just going to open one of the blue version. Okay, it's all here. We have Taeyong again, Subin, XC and Dawon, and Subin. And I'm going to open these other K-Town. I think this is the K-Town For You blue version album. So this one should have the K-Town For You photo card. And now here I got Eunso. Okay, hold on. This one should have this set should have the K-Town For You PC. This, okay, first we have Eunso, Taeyong, XC, Yeonjung and Sola, and XC. Wait, I don't have the K-Town For You PC. Maybe it's in here. Whatever. But okay, I'm gonna open the pink color one. Oh, my Starship Square piece Polaroids are here. So yeah, okay, I'm just gonna show you here. We have Taeyong, XC, Eunso, Sola, and Taeyong and Sola. I found it! It's Eunso! Yes! Finally! Okay. I'm actually not going to go through the photo book because you have seen a lot of videos on the photo book. Okay, I'm gonna show you the posters. I don't know what version is this, so let's just open it. Okay, this is the pink version poster. I'm thinking if I should paste them here. Yes. This is also the pink version one. I'm assuming this is the blue version one because the GOM said she has a shortage of the green color one. So I have to put it like this because I can't really flip my camera. But the blue version is my favorite version. So yes, they all look so pretty. Alright, So I think this is the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching and bye bye.